I've chosen Mathopolis for the technology lesson demonstration. Mathopolis is a free site that you are able to use with your students, and it actually tracks as they go. So you would create, my students will create a login and a password, and then you would log in. It goes all the way from grades kindergarten and up. This particular section is logged in under as a student, and you have the home page, which is here. So you would click on the home page to get started, which lists the games option or the questions option. I like to go to the question options. It gives you a database of questions for your student. Like this student here has 16.30 merits, and this is how I was able to play with the program a little bit to make sure that it would work because I have not used it before. You can get a question of the day by clicking there. It has grades 2 through high school on here. And you even have special subject areas like algebra, algebra 2, and calculus. So you can actually use this for quite a while in multiple grades is what I mean. Then you can go back home and we can look at some other options here. So if I go to the games, there are different types of games. The games are geared to get the mental math going. It trains your memory. This memory one is super awesome. As I was going through, I was able to learn a little bit about that. So training your memory is pretty good with just the basic foundations of mathematics. I'm going back to the home section. I like the questions part of it because you can actually go to math skills practice and you can choose a grade. So I have some students that may be on a lower grade level. I can have them practice some third grade skills. I can also have them practice at skill level, which is grade 6, which is what I'm teaching now. So when I have them go here, they click on grade 6. And as I was practicing to kind of get familiar with it, you go down and it actually shows what you've completed. So like I did an algebra, substitute into algebraic expressions, and then I touched on the evaluate formulas, and I say we because I had my son practicing with me. So we tried evaluating formulas, but then we went ahead to do evaluate exponents, and that's one that was also completed. So it actually tells you what you've completed along the way, and I mean it really covers a lot of topics. Everything that's on my standards list or my scope and sequence for this year it actually covers. So as I said, my son and I was practicing with it and we're at 2% complete. So it keeps track of all that information for you so that you know where you are, what you should be working on, and all of that good stuff. It even gives you some motivation. Try to pass 2 skills a day, which is pretty cool too. A mentor quiz. You just kind of get to see different things about this as well. Looks at your most recent performance to give you questions designed to help you along. So that's pretty good because again, it's still focused around what you are trying to accomplish with each individual student. So this is the program that I chose, Mathopolis. I have not used it with students as of yet, but I think I will. Again, my son and I did a practice with it so that I can look at the merit part and see exactly what it does and the different things that it offers. So that is my video portion of the technology lesson. Thank you.